My name is Miss Tammy, and I do thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be a review and demo of the Skin Tint, Blurring Skin Tint by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And the color that I have is the number 18. In the Pro Filter Foundation, I wear a color number 380. This is the packaging right here. What I like about the packaging, it is great for travel. Has a little twist top, which is an easy applicator, so you're not getting too much of the product. So that is a plus for me. So if you want to see how this product applies to my skin, then continue to watch. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So let's get started. I started off by priming my face and using my moisturizer, and I apply that with my hands. You can use a brush if you prefer. I'm using a Fenty Matchsticks Trio in a color caramel and truffle. I'm using caramel to highlight. I like to be extra, so that is me. But with this hydrating tint, you don't have to use any concealer or anything unless you choose to. So I like to mist my face in between. It helps blends out the concealer. And this is the color Truffle. And I'm using the underpainting method where you highlight and contour underneath your foundation. This is the Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Tint. It claims to even out your skin tone. It comes in 25 shades. The consistency of it is medium, not too runny. It has a nozzle, so you won't use too much product. You can either apply it with your hands or a brush. The color I have is the number 18. It is medium deep with a warm yellow undertone. It is a lightweight coverage, easy to apply, and it instantly evens out your complexion with a flattering, blurring effect. This skin tint is a hydrating. It works well with primers and skincare. You can apply it with your fingers, or you can use a brush, or you can use a beauty blender. It also states to be sweat proof, transfer resistant, and it retails for $32. I'm just going to set my face. You really don't have to set your face with this skin blurring tint, because it's non-transferable, and when you set your face, you're leaving the powder to transfer to something else, to transfer off to others, but you really don't have to set it. If you have tried the Fenty Skin Eaze Tint Drops, leave me a comment in the comment box below. This is a lightweight. It feels great on the skin, perfect for the summer.